We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an empty fridge, wallet feeling lighter than a feather, the siren song of takeout calls. But fear not, fellow food lovers. Eating healthy on a budget is not a myth. It's a skill, a superpower even. And today, we unlock that superpower. Let's face it, grocery shopping can feel like a contact sport these days. Prices soaring higher than a kite in a hurricane. But we are smarter than the shopping cart, my friends. With a little planning and a dash of creativity, we can conquer those grocery aisles without sacrificing flavor or our bank accounts. This isn't about sacrificing flavor or satisfaction, it's about making smart choices. It's about understanding that delicious and nutritious can coexist. We're not talking about sad salads and flavorless tofu here. Get ready to dive into a world of flavorsome, wallet-friendly meals. This is your budget-friendly culinary boot camp, and by the end, you'll be a lean, mean meal prepping machine. We live in a world obsessed with speed. Faster internet, faster cars, faster food. But what about faster cooking? What about reclaiming those precious minutes or hours, usually lost to the kitchen? Time, my friends, is a precious commodity. More valuable than gold, they say. And yet, we often find ourselves slaves to the stove, endlessly chopping, stirring, and cleaning. But I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine this, you coming home from a long day, not to face the daunting task of cooking, but to a fridge stocked with delicious, healthy meals ready to be devoured. No more last-minute takeout runs, no more sacrificing your precious free time to the kitchen gods. We're about to unlock the secrets of efficient cooking. Strategic shopping, clever batch cooking, and the magic of freezing are our weapons in this battle against the clock. Get ready to reclaim your time and conquer your week with the power of meal prep. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to embark on a culinary adventure. Over the next few minutes, we're going to demystify the world of budget meal prep. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, proving that anyone, regardless of their culinary prowess or lack thereof, can master the art of cooking delicious, healthy meals on a budget. This isn't your grandma's meal prep, though, no offense to grandma. We're talking about modern, flavorful, and exciting meals designed to fit your busy life. We're talking about ditching the takeout menus and embracing the joy of home-cooked goodness without the stress. Think of it as a culinary choose-your-own adventure, where you're in control of the ingredients, the flavors, and the budget. This is your chance to become the master of your own mealtime destiny. So, are you ready to ditch the takeout, reclaim your time, and unlock the secrets of affordable, delicious, and healthy eating? Then buckle up, because our 1-hour meal prep power move is about to begin. All right, recruits, before we storm the grocery store, we need a plan of attack. Think of your meal plan as your culinary treasure map, guiding you to budget-friendly glory. First things first, inventory check. Before you even think about opening that fridge, grab a notepad and channel your inner detective. What hidden treasures, or terrifying leftovers, lurk in the depths of your refrigerator? Next, we strategize. What kind of meals do you actually enjoy eating? Don't force yourself to choke down bland salads if you'd rather be digging into a flavorful stir-fry. This is about making healthy choices you'll actually stick with. Finally, consider your schedule and lifestyle. Are you a busy bee who needs quick grab-and-go options? Or do you have a bit more time for leisurely weekend meal prep? Knowing your limits will help you choose recipes that fit your lifestyle. Now, time for the Frugal Foodie's arsenal, budget-friendly ingredients. Now that we've got our battle plan, it's time to talk about ammunition, budget-friendly ingredients. Don't worry, we're not talking about subsisting on ramen noodles and instant oatmeal. First up, embrace the power of the plant. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains are your new best friends. Not only are they packed with nutrients, but they're also easy on the wallet. Think of them as the foundation of your culinary empire. Next, let's talk protein. We need our muscle fuel, but meat can be pricey. Fear not, there are plenty of budget-friendly options out there. Eggs, beans, lentils, and tofu are all excellent sources of protein that won't break the bank. And don't forget about healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and seeds are nutritional powerhouses that add flavor and satisfaction to your meals. A little goes a long way, so you can make these ingredients stretch. Versatility is king. Selecting ingredients with multiple personalities. Versatility is key for budget meal prep. Ingredients should pull double, even triple duty. Take the humble chicken breast, grill it, shred it for tacos, or dice it for soup. Endless possibilities. Roast broccoli for a side dish, stir fry, or a creamy soup. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Spices can transform a dish. A well-stocked spice rack is a frugal foodie's secret weapon. Spices add layers of flavor without breaking the bank. Outsmart the grocery store, not let it intimidate us. Choose ingredients with multiple personalities and create a week's worth of delicious meals without overspending. Mission budget-friendly shopping. All right, my fellow food ninjas, it's time to infiltrate the grocery lair. Don't let the fluorescent lights and endless aisles intimidate you. We have a plan, a budget, and a mission to emerge victorious with a cart full of delicious, affordable ingredients. First rule, never shop hungry. Remember our meal plan? It's our treasure map. Stick to the list, resist impulse buys. The art of strategic shopping. Outsmarting the marketing ninjas. Grocery stores are like giant puzzle boxes designed to separate you from your hard-earned cash. But fear not, my savvy shoppers. We're about to outsmart those marketing ninjas. First up, beware of eye-level marketing. Those products placed conveniently at eye level, they're often the priciest. Don't be afraid to reach for the higher or lower shelves, where you'll often find hidden gems at a fraction of the cost. Next, learn to decipher those sneaky sale signs. Buy one, get one free sounds enticing, but do you really need 2 giant tubs of yogurt? Make sure the sale aligns with your actual needs and won't lead to unnecessary waste. And don't underestimate the power of store brands. Often, these generic options are made in the same factories as their name brand counterparts, just without the fancy packaging and hefty price tag. Give them a try and see if you can taste the difference. Spoiler alert, you probably won't. Section 3. The freezer is your friend, embracing the power of frozen assets. Fear not, busy bees and culinary time travelers. The freezer is our secret weapon in the battle against food waste and last-minute meal chaos. It's like a pause button for your ingredients, locking in freshness and flavor for a later date. Frozen fruits and vegetables are a budget-friendly dream. They're often picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen to preserve nutrients and flavor. Plus, you can use only what you need, minimizing waste and saving precious pennies. Don't be afraid to freeze leftovers. Portion them out into freezer-safe containers, and you've got ready-made meals for those days when cooking feels like a chore. Soups, stews, and sauces all freeze beautifully, ready to be thawed and enjoyed on a moment's notice. Remember, the freezer is your friend, not your enemy. Use it wisely, and you'll always have a stash of culinary goodness on hand, ready to transform even the busiest of days into a celebration of deliciousness. Stretching your dollar with savvy substitutions. Congratulations, my thrifty foodies. You've unlocked the bonus level of budget meal prep. Who says we need to break the bank to enjoy delicious meals? Take meat, for example. Plant-based alternatives like lentils, beans, and tofu can add protein and flavor without the hefty price tag. Don't forget about those almost past their prime fruits and vegetables. Slightly bruised bananas are perfect for banana bread or smoothies. Creativity is key when it comes to budget cooking. You might be surprised at the culinary masterpieces you can create with a little ingenuity. All right, master chefs in the making, let's talk about the French phrase that's music to any organized cook's ears, mise en place. It means everything in its place. And trust me, it's about to become your culinary superpower. Imagine this. Instead of a frantic scramble for that missing spice jar while your onions burn, you're gliding through the kitchen like a culinary ninja, every ingredient prepped and ready for action. That's the magic of mise en place. Start by giving your fruits and veggies a good rinse. Pat them dry, then unleash your inner Edward Scissorhands. Dice those onions, chop those carrots, and slice those peppers. We're talking surgical precision here, folks, but don't worry, speed comes with practice. Next, measure out your spices and herbs, pre-portion your proteins, and grab those trusty containers. Remember, we're on a mission to transform this kitchen into a well-oiled meal prepping machine. Here's where the real time-saving magic happens. Batch cooking. It's the art of cooking once and enjoying the fruits or veggies or proteins of your labor for multiple meals. Think of it as culinary time travel, where a few hours in the kitchen now equal countless minutes saved during the week. Whether it's a mountain of roasted chicken breasts, a pot of perfectly cooked quinoa, or a batch of hearty lentils, we're aiming for culinary versatility. Cook a big batch now, and you'll be thanking your past self all week long. Let's face it, nobody wants to eat bland, boring food, no matter how budget-friendly it may be. That's where marinades and seasonings come in. They're the culinary fairy dust that transforms ordinary ingredients into flavor explosions. Marinades are like flavor baths for your proteins, infusing them with tenderness and taste. Think zesty citrus marinades for chicken, fragrant herb blends for fish, or smoky spice rubs for tofu. Let them soak up all that deliciousness while you tackle the rest of your meal prep. And don't underestimate the power of a well-seasoned dish. Salt and pepper are our trusty sidekicks, but don't be afraid to experiment with other spices and herbs. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cumin. These are just a few of the flavor enhancers waiting to be unleashed in your kitchen. Remember, the key to flavorful meal prep is to season generously and taste as you go. Don't be afraid to adjust the flavors to suit your palate. After all, you're the master chef of your own culinary destiny. Container conundrum solved. Smart storage for happy meals. Congratulations, my meal prepping warriors. You've successfully navigated the culinary battlefield. Now let's talk about preserving those hard-earned creations with the right storage solutions. Because nobody wants to open their fridge to a symphony of spilled sauces and soggy salads. First things first, invest in a set of high-quality, reusable containers. Glass containers are ideal for reheating and prevent any unwanted flavors from leaching into your food. Plus, they're better for the environment and your wallet in the long run. Next, channel your inner organization guru and label those containers. Use masking tape and a permanent marker to note the contents and date. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're rummaging through the fridge for a quick and easy meal. And remember, not all meals are created equal when it comes to storage. Salads, for example, are best assembled right before eating to prevent wilting. Store dressings separately and toss them in just before serving. And there you have it, my fellow budget-conscious culinary champions. A week's worth of delicious, healthy, and affordable meals, all prepped and ready to fuel your busy lives. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Those colorful containers are a testament to your commitment to eating well without breaking the bank. Now, let's unveil the symphony of flavors that await. We've got vibrant salads bursting with fresh veggies and lean protein, hearty grain bowls packed with nutrients, and flavor-packed stir-fries that are ready in minutes. But wait, there's more. Remember that batch of roasted chicken? It's about to become the star of chicken salad sandwiches, chicken tacos, and even a comforting chicken noodle soup. The possibilities are endless. Congratulations, my friends, you've officially mastered the art of budget meal prep. Now go forth and conquer those weeknights with the confidence of a culinary ninja, armed with a fridge full of delicious and affordable meals. But this is about more than just delicious food, my friends. This is about reclaiming your precious time, your hard-earned money, and your health. Think about it. No more frantic grocery runs after work, no more impulse takeout orders, and no more feeling guilty about neglecting your health goals. With meal prep, you're in control. You're the master of your own culinary destiny. And the best part? You're not just saving time and money, you're investing in your well-being. By prepping healthy meals at home, you're choosing nourishing ingredients and controlling portions, which can lead to more energy, better sleep, and a stronger immune system. So go ahead, pat yourself on the back. You've earned it. You're not just a meal prepper, you're a time-saving, money-saving, health-conscious superhero.